So in this video on the leads functionality within Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Sales, we're going to cover off importing a spreadsheet of data into the leads entity within Dynamics. Now this is one in a series we've done specifically on leads functionality. You can see links to others in the series below. Also, if you've got any suggested content ideas or you need any help with Microsoft Dynamics, please see the links below. So let's go into the system. I'm in the leads area at the moment, and let's say we've been to a trade show, and as part of that we've been given a spreadsheet of trade show attendees. I don't necessarily want to import them into the system as a whole because I need to evaluate them. Not all of them are people perhaps who are suitable prospects for our products and services. So I'm actually going to import them into the leads area, sort of review them before also committing them to the main system. If I want to import that data, I just go to the relevant command. It's not displaying on my view at the moment, so I just click on the three dots for more commands, and one of them is import from Excel. And if I just go to the right of that, I've got the option of importing from the CSV file, which is the file that I have that data in. So I'm just going to click import from CSV, and it's going to say to me choose a file to upload. So I click choose file and then select the file from the relevant folder. I've just got mine in my downloads area, so I'm just going to select that. Now I've put a really brief file together, so it's 4 rows of an Excel spreadsheet with 4 columns: first name, last name, company name and topic. That's all I'm bringing across just as that sort of working example. Now if I click open on that, that's going to associate that file with the import, and then I just click on the next button. First thing it's saying is, are we happy with the delimiter settings? I can change those if I need to, but I'm happy with those. It's also saying, where are the column headings in the spreadsheet? Are they in the first row? Well, they are. And do we want to allow duplicates or not? And we're not going to allow duplicates. So the next step is to review the mappings. I'll just click on that. And it's saying for the primary fields, i.e. the mandatory fields on my lead record, which fields in the Excel spreadsheet we're importing we match them to. So it's picked up, actually we've got last name as mandatory on the lead record. It's picked up last name within my spreadsheet. It's picked up topic and topic in my spreadsheet. Those have all matched. Now it's also picking up that first name has matched as well. What it's saying to me is you've got a record, a column in your spreadsheet called company, and we can't map that to anything on the lead at the moment, so you're going to have to help us out. So I'm just going to have a look at that, and if I just scroll down, I can see there's a field that's correct for company, that's company name. So I've now matched all the 4 columns to 4 fields within my lead record within Dynamics, and now all I need to do to finish the import is finish import. It's going to say it's now processing that, your data being submitted for import. If I want to track the progress of that, I can just click the button here. It's going to say, do I want to leave the page? And you can see that we've got a import running, which is the one I've just done here. If I just click into that, and it's taken a while. So it's got 4 records, no successes, no failures, no partial failures. It always takes a minute or 2 to run. If I refresh this, you can see that that has now changed. I've got 4 successes, no failures, no partial failures. If I had some failures or partial failures, I can see those records here by just clicking the relevant tab. I haven't got any, and if I want to see the 4 successful records, I can see them there. Now if I go to my leads area, come out of that and just refresh that, you can see that I've now imported 4 additional records that come in as my test CSV import from that file that I just brought across, and that's the data that I had in my spreadsheet, or at least one of the rows. Anyway, hopefully that just gives you a quick tour in terms of how you could import data held on an Excel spreadsheet so it creates leads records within your system. I say this is one in a series we've done specifically on the leads functionality within Dynamics. You can see links to others in the series below. Also, if you have suggested content ideas or you need any help with Microsoft Dynamics, please see the links below. Anyway, thank you very much for your time today, and hopefully see you again soon.